Manufacturing leaders don't need more dashboards. You need to know what's happening right now and what to do next. Imagine starting your day with a single real-time view of your operation: production, assets, materials, energy, and safety. All connected, all aligned, all in one place. That's NTT Data's Intelligent Manufacturing Hub. You begin at the enterprise level and drill down effortlessly. From global performance to factory, line, and machine. You immediately see where output is slipping, where downtime is building, and where quality is at risk. Instead of digging through reports, you ask a simple question. With Factory AI, Intelligent Manufacturing Hub turns data into answers. You get a clear explanation, quantified impact, and recommended next actions. In plain language, not technical jargon. On the shop floor, your operators work with intuitive dashboards designed for how work actually gets done. They capture cycle times, downtime reasons, and quality data without slowing production. Digital work instructions guide tasks step by step, helping teams deliver the right work at the right time with consistent quality. Behind the scenes, asset management keeps equipment running. You can see asset health, predict failures, and plan maintenance before downtime happens. With full visibility into work orders, failure metrics, service history, and spare parts. Materials stay in sync with production, from raw materials to finished goods. Inventory, work in progress, yield, and scrap are tracked continuously, so plans stay realistic and service levels remain intact. Energy and utilities are no longer a blind spot. Intelligent Manufacturing Hub shows consumption at factory, line, and machine levels, highlighting inefficiencies, peak demand, and cost-saving opportunities while supporting sustainability goals. Safety is built in, not bolted on. Incidents, risks, and corrective actions are managed in one place, enabling proactive safety monitoring and a stronger culture of workforce protection. And because no factory operates in isolation, Intelligent Manufacturing Hub integrates seamlessly with SAP, ServiceNow, MES, CMMS, SCADA, energy systems, and inventory platforms, and scales securely on Azure and AWS. The result is simple: faster decisions, fewer surprises, and a more resilient operation. By bringing data, insight, and action together, NTT Data's Intelligent Manufacturing Hub helps you move from reactive manufacturing to intelligent, connected operations.